विशेष न्यायालयान सोमारा आदले मुखेलमंत्री आनी आताचे मडगांवचे आमदार दिगंबर कामताक अंतरीम जामीन मंजूर केल्या. कोर्टान कामताक प्रफुल्ल हेदे मीन स्कॅम केशीत अंतरीम जामीन मंजूर केल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्सल रॉड्रिगेज.
We had applied for interim bail pending the hearing of the and disposal of the application, which has been granted. The matter is now fixed on the 27th for them to file a reply.
So interim bail has been granted.
Interim bail is
And what has been any bond or what it is? Surety or
fixed on the 27th, yes, with 1 lakh bond and surety in the event of arrest. Those conditions come into play only in the event of arrest.
event of arrest.
Yes.
So even if he is arrested, then he can be released.
He has to be released if they want to arrest in the meantime.
Okay.
You have mentioned there that SIT made an attempt to arrest him. What was that?
We have expressed our apprehensions that on Saturday there was an attempt made to arrest, despite the fact that the court was seized of the matter on Saturday itself, and the whole attempt was made to avoid service. That is the apprehension which we have expressed.
So
We'll file necessary affidavit.
so what was the point of argument? This because people have been looking.
Anyway, they have sought time for the reply, so there wasn't much of an issue in terms of an interim order pending hearing. They were not prepared with the reply.